Do you envision potential preventative or immunotherapy strategies stemming from these findings, maybe perhaps mimicking immune reprogramming that occurs post-pregnancy?
Yeah, so basically, what we think now that this is a paradigm shift in how we look at immunity. It now can become preventative as opposed to just for treatment. And an analogy to this is like the HPV vaccine, for example. We vaccinate to protect against HPV related cancers. But yes, we can ultimately, now we understand the pathway, try to mimic that therapeutically with immunotherapies or vaccines, for example, collect reproductive history, because actually whilst doing our research we found that it's really hard to find data sets where people collect breastfeeding and parity history. So I think this is really important to understand the full effects of immunotherapy as we go forward. But yes, ultimately it's a different way of looking at prevention, and how our immune system protects us against cancers, and specifically breast cancer.
Yeah. And when I think about active immune systems or immune systems that are kind of acting maybe above the baseline, I think about so many different ailments. Like we just came back from multiple sclerosis conference and everything like that. Have you considered how some of this data might be used maybe at some point translationally to kind of gain this more full image of the body and maybe kind of signal potential other things? Do you see any of that in the future?
Yeah, I mean, I think there's no doubt that pregnancy and having children changes a woman's body, and there's a lot of evidence it also changes the immune system for good or for bad. It also has implications for cardiovascular health and diabetes as well, breastfeeding. So potentially there are related mechanisms of protection for other diseases and other cancer types. Obviously, that's speculation, but we do see that this immunity is not only just in the breast, but throughout the body. So it's plausible that this reshaping or new education of your immune system is protective for other diseases and other cancers as well.